All right, so hey everyone, FTX chief blames Fed for crash. And let's take a look at this. One of the richest people in history is saying that Fed is responsible for a big crypto crash that just happened. If you guys want more content like this, I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Just be sure to smash that like. Wants to take responsibility. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder and CEO of FTX, claimed in an interview with NPR that his exchange had responsibility to support struggling cryptocurrency businesses in times of need. Although FTX had nothing to do with the current market's predicament, Bankman-Fried stated, "I do feel like we have a responsibility to seriously consider stepping in, even if it's a loss to ourselves to stand contagion." So right now what's happening is he bailed out, allegedly, Three Arrow Capital, which is a huge token that crashed because of Terra Luna. And now we're seeing it being saved, right? So this could be huge. If Bankman-Fried is saving crypto like that, it makes total sense to me. Imagine he has the biggest crypto holdings in history of crypto. He has billions and billions of dollars. All he has to do is out of these, if he has, for example, 85 billion, and he helps another business in need and gives 1 billion to them, his crypto portfolio is automatically going to recover a little. I do feel like we have a responsibility to consider stepping in, even if it's a loss to ourselves. Bankman-Fried thinks that helping each others in these dire circumstances would be healthy for an industry in the long run. The 30-year-old billionaire, FTX acquisition of the Japanese exchange Liquid is the one way how her firm is helping businesses. When hackers attacked the Japanese crypto exchange last year and stole about 100 million worth of cryptocurrency, it stepped in to save the company with finance totaling USD 120 million. Soon after that, it announced ambitions to purchase the exchange, and FTX actions could be read as an extensive plan to expand into new territories. FTX is probably going to be in many more countries, especially the Asian markets. Crypto trading platform Bitvo, and I'm guessing, he's not giving, of course, these cryptos for free. So, for example, Three Arrow Capital, it's not like he's going to give them for free, guys, but instead he's going to say, okay, you can have this and that, but you can get my tokens, but I want some of that juicy company stocks or something like that. I'm not sure, but the crypto industry is going through one of the most violent crashes, that's for sure. That's what I'm sure about. Terra, I'm looking at you. You caused the crash, but so be it. I'm kind of mad at you at Terra, but it's okay. The FTX chief claims that the Federal Reserve is to blame for a stunning collapse in the cryptocurrency prices. According to Bankman-Fried, perceptions of risk can be revised due to the Fed's aggressive interest rate to combat excessive inflation. Like the Fed is just putting oil on fire because they want to stop inflation, right? Otherwise, probably we would see the Great Depression. We would see the Great Depression and nobody could afford anything. But that being said, failing businesses make easy targets for a young billionaire. And he's buying businesses left and right, even if they're not profitable, because he expects them to expand and to be more profitable. Over a weekend, Bitcoin's price fell to sub $18,000 levels, below its 2017 peak. The original cryptocurrency has now partially rebounded, but it's still worth less than what it was by the end of the year. So it went up 7%, right? But FTX is basically saying, oh, the Fed caused this crash. And the FTX chief claims that the Federal Reserve is to blame for a stunning collapse in cryptocurrency prices. And I would agree with that. I would also say Terra Luna is kind of sped it up, kind of put the oil to the fire type of thing. But that's okay because we have time, and he's buying up businesses, and it's kind of saving crypto in the short run. Think of it like Shiba. He's buying, a bit of Shiba pumps. He's buying indirectly. He's buying Terra Luna pumps, and that's what's really important in the end. But if you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Peace, everyone.